Hey guys, it's Isaac here, back with another video. This is episode 2 of the Ultimate Lego Room. I'm here with my friend Emma. She's looking really intimidating with this mallet. And the real reason we have this is so we can take down the shelves. As you can see, they're completely empty now, which means we can take them down and get them out of the way so that we can be ready to start with the modifications. Okay guys, the floor is swept. I just want to vacuum off the walls now so that we can get all the dust off. That way we can seal it with the sealant stuff. It'll keep all the water out. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Check out last week's video if you didn't get to see that.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and